Ano ba? Ngayon po kasi ano ko na 6 years ko na dito playing in Japan. And of course, yun nga, playing abroad is very tough. Yeah, because kasi parang you have to deal with different kinds of challenges, ganyan. Pero yun nga, eventually naging comfortable po ako dito and get used dun sa system nila. Nagustuhan ko yung volleyball dito. Hindi lang kasi sila basta laro eh. Kumbaga, yung mga players din and teams dito, they're very disciplined and systematic. So, kumbaga, ang dami kong natutunan dito and actually, sabi ko before, stepping stone ko lang yung Japan. Siguro, alam ko po, alam niyo rin naman po na I'm on the process na changing my nationality. Parang nagustuhan ko yung way of living, playing here in Japan because of their system, yung disiplina. And I think maganda yung, kumbaga, nabuo na career ko dito. And tingin ko, if ever man na magkaroon ako ng chance to play in Europe, I think yung experience ko dito is enough and maganda yung foundation ko.